Now this is a rational function, so we look at the domain. Domain means denominator can't be 0, or that x minus 4 squared can't be 0, or x can't be 4. Can be anything other than 4, so all real numbers, x can't be 4. That means I have a vertical asymptote at x equal 4. Now horizontal asymptote means I'm going to look at what happens as x goes to infinity. And my model is 2x over, highest power comes out of x minus 4 squared is just an x squared, which is 2 over x, which goes to 0 as x goes to infinity. So that says it's y equals 0. X-intercepts, that's where the numerator equals 0, so that's where 2x equals 0, or x equals 0. It really is a twofer, because 0, 0 is where y equals 0, so it's 2 times 0 over 0 minus 4 squared, which is 0. Now here are the first and second derivatives. So I need to find my critical numbers. Critical numbers of the first derivative, this is where negative 2x times x plus 4 equals 0, or x equals negative 4. But also x can't be 4, but that's a VA, and its multiplicity 3. But it's a VA, so I'm not asking things like increasing, decreasing, so that's not going to really have an impact. It's just going to be a max min, don't know which. And f double prime is where the numerator and x equals negative 8. It's multiplicity 1, so this indeed is a inflection point. So I really don't need to do anything if I don't want to. So come down here, and for f prime, I just need to know, do I have a max or a min? So at negative 4, change. I do have 4, but that's a VA, and it's multiplicity 3. So pull a test point, pull 0. So what do I have? I have negative 2 times 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 4 cubed, and it's going to be negative divided by negative, which is positive. So increasing followed by decreasing, this is a max. I'm sorry, oh dang it. I don't know why I did that. I certainly know better. Because what do I have? I have a minus and a plus. That means decreasing followed by increasing. This is a min. Right. This is a VA, so that's not going to be a max or a min. So there's no max. But there is a min at x equal negative 4. And if I look at f double prime, I already know it's an inflection point because of the negative 8. X can't be 4, and it's going to be multiplicity 4. So there's no, and it's no change. So that says I have negative 8, I have 4, which is a VA. So pull 0. What do I get? I get 4 times 0 plus 8 over 0 minus 4 to the fourth. Well, the denominator is positive. So that says concave up, change, concave down, no change, stays concave up. Well, that says I have an inflection point at x equal -8.